There are several ways to earn money online, some of which include 1. Freelancing. Offer your services in areas such as writing, graphic design, web development, virtual assistants, etc. on websites such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. 2. Online surveys. Participate in paid surveys conducted by market research companies. Websites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars pay for taking surveys. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. 4. Selling products online. Start an e-commerce store or sell products through platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. 5. Digital marketing. Offer digital marketing services such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media management, or pay-per-click advertising. 6. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast and monetize it through advertising, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. 7. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge and expertise by teaching others online. Websites like TutorMe and VIPKid offer opportunities to become an online tutor. Remember, making money online requires effort and dedication, and there is no get-rich-quick scheme. Be cautious of scams and always do thorough research before investing your time and money into any opportunity.